Organisms, classification and habitat. Besides animals and plants, there is a world of living creatures that are present everywhere, but are so small that these cannot seen by a naked eyes. These are called microorganisms or microbes. In order to see microorganisms, we use a special device called microscope. Let's perform an activity. Let's perform another activity. During rainy season, moist bread get covered with greyish-white patches. If you observe these patches through microscope, we will find tiny black rounded structure growing on thin long stacks from bread. These microorganisms are called bread molds. Classification of microorganisms. Microorganisms are classified into 4 groups: bacteria, fungi, protozoa and algae. Along with these groups, there exists a group of organisms called viruses, which are considered to be at the borderline of living and non-living things. Why is it so? It is because a virus does not have cellular structure such as cytoplasm or cell organelles, which is the feature of non-living thing. However, once these organisms reach inside a cell, they use host cell energy and reproduce and multiply in thousands, which makes us think that these are living things. Common diseases such as cold, influenza, that is flu, and most are caused by viruses. In addition to this, there are many serious diseases caused by viruses. These are polio, chickenpox, etc. Based on structure, microorganisms could be unicellular, consisting of single cell, like in bacteria, algae and protozoa, or multicellular, consisting of many cells like algae and fungi. Habitat of microorganisms, or where do microorganisms live? Microorganisms are everywhere around us, in air, water, soil, in a body and body of other animals and plants. These organisms can survive in all type of environment such as ice cold climate, hot springs, deserts, marshy lands, even at the bottom of the sea. Some microorganisms grow on other organisms, for example Plasmodium, which lives in human blood and cause malaria. Some lives freely such as amoeba and other make their colonies such as fungi and bacteria. Some of these organisms are harmful, that most of organisms are very important to our life. We will discuss in the next video.